So it was Lok Sabha Leader of Opposition Rahul Gandhi's 55th birthday yesterday, and wishes poured in for him from leaders of not just the Congress party but also from others cutting across party lines. In fact, Prime Minister Narendra Modi also extended birthday wishes to Rahul Gandhi, saying that may he be blessed with a long and healthy life. But Rahul Gandhi and the Congress party also came under attack from the BJP over newspaper birthday ads wishing the Gandhi sign. The ad featured Rahul Gandhi in the center, and on top were pictures of Sonia Gandhi and Priyanka Gandhi. But the picture of the Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge appeared on the side along with the other leaders of the Congress party. Sharing this picture of the ad, the BJP leaders called it a proof of family-first mindset. They also claimed that it was an insult to Congress's Dalit president, who found a place after Sonia and Priyanka Gandhi. The ruling party also drew a parallel with the late Prime Minister Dr. Manmohan Singh, and also spoke about how the Gandhis had allegedly insulted him. The BJP further claimed that this is the price that someone has to pay in the Congress for not being from the dynasty of Gandhi-Vadra family. The BJP has in fact cited another instance to claim that it is Kharge's humiliation that is witnessed time and again. Amit Malviya posted snapshots of Kharge wishing Rahul Gandhi on his birthday, and Rahul Gandhi replying by saying, "Thank you, Congress President Kharge ji, our leaders and every Babbar Sher and Sherni of the Congress family." Now the BJP has hit out at the Congress party, saying that it was humiliating that the octogenarian Dalit leader was clubbed with the Babbar Sher and Shernis in Rahul's tweet. The BJP leader asked, does Kharge not even deserve the courtesy of an independent mention?
आज राहुल गांधी जी का जन्म दिवस है। 55 इयर्स के हो चुके हैं और कांग्रेस पार्टी उनका जन्म दिवस सेलिब्रेट कर रही है तो ऐड दिया है। सबसे बड़ी तस्वीर राहुल जी की, चलिए बर्थडे बॉय है, उसके बाद सोनिया जी की, उसके बाद प्रियंका जी की, और एक छोटे से कोने में खड़गे जी की तस्वीर है। खड़गे जी राष्ट्रीय अध्यक्ष है कांग्रेस के, पर कांग्रेस पार्टी हमेशा अपने अध्यक्ष को कुछ मानती नहीं है। उनके लिए परिवार प्रथम है, पार्टी थोड़ी। एक दलित समाज से आने वाले राष्ट्रीय अध्यक्ष जी की क्या स्थिति बना रखी है कि प्रियंका जी के बाद उनका नंबर आता है।
So on the day that this ad sparked outrage, the Congress MP Shashi Tharoor aired his own grievances, admitted to differences within the party with the party leadership as well. Shashi Tharoor, who is a four-term MP and a former diplomat, was conspicuously excluded from the campaigning for the Nilambur by-election in Kerala. The Thiruvananthapuram MP was missing in action even as leaders from all levels of the Congress party in the state, including the Wayanad MP Priyanka Gandhi Vadra, campaigned for the UDF candidate. The BJP is now calling it a punishment for putting country above party.
Yes, there may have been some differences with the leadership on some issues. Those can be sorted out in closed-door conversations, and I don't see any reason to discuss them now. Whatever is out there in the public domain is out there. We leave it there, but I can always discuss them in private when and if appropriate. So far, as I've said, no one has reached out to me, but that's all right. When the time comes, when the need arises, we will always be able to talk to each other.
केवल क्योंकि शशि थरूर जी ने देश को प्रथम रखा, राष्ट्रहित को प्रथम रखा और पाकिस्तान को एक्सपोज किया, तो कांग्रेस पार्टी ने जिस प्रकार से उनको अपमानित किया, जिस प्रकार से उनको साइडलाइन करने की कोशिश की, कांग्रेस पार्टी कभी भी मेरिट को, टैलेंट को और राष्ट्र प्रथम को स्वीकार नहीं सकती। उसके लिए परिवार ही प्रथम है, चाटुकारिता प्रथम है। उसमें देश विरोध भी करना पड़े तो ठीक है।
Let's go across to my colleague Sabyasachi joining us on the broadcast with the details. Sabyasachi, time and again the BJP has cited instances of the alleged insult to Mallikarjun Kharge, the latest being on the ads of Rahul Gandhi's birthday. More importantly, other leaders of the party, including Shashi Tharoor as well, continue to be sidelined. Every single party leader being called for the campaigning, Shashi Tharoor being left out. The BJP is citing these instances to say that it's a clear message that it should be family first, not the country.
Well, that's right. See, the BJP has attacked the Congress party, stating that for the Congress party, it's always the family first, and after that comes the Congress leaders. Now, yesterday the BJP cited one of the example of a ad in a newspaper, which clearly shows the picture of Sonia Gandhi, Rahul Gandhi and Priyanka Gandhi Vadra. But there was a small picture of Mallikarjun Kharge, who's the president of the Congress party. Now the BJP calls it as an insult to the Dalit Congress president. And now this is not the first time. Back in 30th May itself, when Goa was celebrating its statehood, in fact, at that particular time, the state Congress leaders had put out a poster where they had excluded the picture of Mallikarjun Kharge. At that particular time also, the BJP raised this allegation against the Congress party, stating time and again the Congress party knowingly is showing disrespect to Mallikarjun Kharge by not displaying his picture. On the other hand, he holds the position of president of the Congress party. He is the topmost at the Congress leadership, but despite the fact he does not find any place as far as the high command is concerned, is what the BJP time and again has been alleging. And differences within the Congress party is not something new. We had seen that whenever there is a difference of opinion with the high command, certain party leaders tend to not get invited by the party. We had seen the example of Shashi Tharoor, that during the bypolls in Kerala, he was not invited by the Congress party high command to be part of it. And that is the very reason why he has expressed his concerns yesterday, stating that yes, there are differences with the high command and he would speak with the high command when the right time comes. This clearly shows the communication gap as far as the Congress leaders are concerned and the high command is concerned. So clearly the gap between the Congress High Command and the leaders is widening. So if you don't agree with the Congress High Command, then clearly the message has been very much clear that you won't be part of any decision making or any campaigning. That clearly shows the example of Shashi Tharoor. Okay,
all right, Sabyasachi, thank you for joining us with those details. The Congress party, will it respond to what the BJP has said and the charge of family first and not the country? That's a big charge that has come in. But for the moment, let's shift our attention. Our viewers, the Prime Minister is headed to Bihar today, and it's a visit that assumes significance on the backdrop of the upcoming state